In the creative world, AI is often seen as a threat, or worse, a shortcut. At the same time, we know it's not going anywhere. It's changing how you and I work, whether we like it or not. So I decided to test it for real and see if I could actually push my creative process further. I'm a brand strategist, and for the past 15 years, I've built hundreds of brands for clients all around the world with my designer, Kostya. This time, we did something different. We created a brand with no client, no deadline, and no rules. Our goal, let AI into our process, not as a replacement, but as a collaborator. Adobe Firefly made that possible. Thank you, Firefly. And I'm teaming up with them to tell you how. This is the story of what we learned, part 1. Meet my friend Oliver Cameron. He is a very talented leather craftsman who's always dreamed of launching his own brand. He's also lucky to be my friend because when I needed a real subject for a fake brand, well, he got drafted, so let's start building. We were looking for the best free AI mood board to help us with this brand experiment, so we used Firefly Boards to explore textures, materials, lighting, even storefronts. We wrote prompts like this one and watched it evolve. This is more like direction setting, where your prompts kind of act like sketches, and then the results shape what comes next. Each image gradually moves you closer to a world that the brand could actually live in. And that's our job as a branding agency, is to provide that container. Eventually, we landed here, a visual baseline for the brand before we even opened Illustrator to design. When the images felt close but not quite there, we didn't start over, we used the tools inside the board. The Vary tool helped us test small shifts in color, material, or angle. The Edit button opens up new ways to refine each image, like using generative expand, generative fill, or switching to a more advanced editor when we need more control. And we opened a copy in Photoshop or Adobe Express for further edits and refinements. And when something clicked, we used Find Similar Inspiration. The board helped us really see what those ideas could become. And since this is about AI, let's talk for a second about safety. Images in Firefly come with content credentials visible right here, shows exactly how the image was generated, and confirms that it's safe to use commercially. That matters a lot, especially when you're designing for real clients or planning to publish the work. As a creative, you want to protect the work and respect the person who made it. If something inspires you, you credit it. If something's yours, you should be able to prove it. Content credentials make that possible. It's a reliable way to bring trust and transparency into a creative process that is still evolving. We didn't start this project with a client or a deadline, just a single question. Could an AI mood board actually help make our work better? For us, it started with Firefly Boards. They gave us a creative direction, a brand that we could build around confidently, quickly, and without cutting corners. Once we had that foundation, we were ready to move forward to design something epic. But that will be part 2, coming next.